Happy Friday, everybody, and thanks again for joining us here on KXAN News at 4. Pretty nice day out there so far.
Yeah,
a little on the chilly side, but we've seen a little bit of everything, it seems, in January. And as we're coming up to the end of it, Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is here to provide a little bit of a roadmap for what lies ahead.
Yeah, so we often do a little recap for rankings at the end of the month, and it's a Friday. We're close enough to the end of the month. We think we can get a handle on where we're going to end up. It's been a month that's had everything. Record warmth, record cold, we've had rain, we've had sleet, we've had ice, and you can see where the high temperatures have been this month. All the red boxes are warmer than normal highs. All the blue boxes, which we've had plenty of toward the back half of the month, are colder than normal. High temperatures, of course, are high of 45 today. That was from 7 this morning. We'll wait on the official high. It's probably going to come in around 54 here this afternoon. And then there's only tomorrow to go, and then the month is over. From a precipitation perspective, drier than normal, but of course our weekend winter storm that began last Friday continued through Saturday into portions of Sunday, brought the wettest weather of the whole month. And without it, we'd have really been in a tough spot from a precipitation perspective. So factoring in where temperatures have been today and where we're forecasting them tomorrow, we project that this January is going to be the 43rd warmest January on record in Austin, with an average temperature of 52.8. To give you some perspective, a typical average January, which factors in the afternoon highs and the morning lows, is 52.2, so a full 0.6 degrees warmer than normal. That despite how cold it's been the last couple of weeks. You can see the warmest Januaries on record, the more recent one there in 2006, quite a bit warmer than where we'll end up here today. Now, we don't anticipate any rain today or tomorrow, so this is likely exactly where we'll end up as far as rainfall for the month. 1.44 inches, the 59th driest January on record, with data that goes back all the way to the late 1800s. You can see we've had a lot of much drier Januaries than this. The January of 1904 had no rain, and several Januaries had just a few hundredths of an inch. So better than that, but we still could have used more rain. A typical January gets 2.64 inches of rain, so 1.2 inches more than we ended up with. On KXAN.com, of course, we're constantly tracking the weather area-wide and Austin area weather data that we keep adding to day by day. The records, the warmth, the cold, the precipitation, it's all there. KXAN.com, the weather and traffic tab, just click on Explore 2026 weather data. We're getting that time now, end of January, that we're finally remembering it's 2026. Sometimes it takes about a month, right? All right, temperature-wise, statewide, a lot of us, mid-50s, some upper 50s too. Not a lot of variation statewide temperature-wise, although Dallas at 48. Here's the reinforcing shot of colder air that's going to be pushing south and west as we go through tonight. Almost acting like a cold front, really, almost like a second one in 2 days. So this is where our cold is going to come from, with that much colder air arriving after midnight, setting us up for a widespread freeze tomorrow morning. Most of us dropping into the 20s. There may be a few spots in Fayette County that stay in the low 30s, but all of Central Texas freezes tonight, and 29 is where we're expecting Austin to get to. Tomorrow afternoon is going to be cold too, even with a lot of sun most of the day. Highs will only be in the 40s. The Central Texas, when it gets sunny, it is very hard to stay this cold under sunshine. So that just proves how cold this air mass is, that sunshine all day long can still result in highs only in the 40s. Sunday morning is actually going to be even colder than Saturday morning, because we'll have less wind Sunday morning, and with a clear sky, radiational cooling allows temperatures to drop very well. Middle and low 20s across the area. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some isolated teens. But then Sunday afternoon, a warmer south wind, you'll notice, starts to allow temperatures to make a big jump in the middle and upper 50s. Probably going to get a couple of 60s to show up here on Sunday. But the temperatures aren't the only story. Later tonight, when that reinforcing shot of colder air comes in, it comes in with more wind. Wind gusts tomorrow morning, not super strong, but gusting 15 to 25 miles per hour will be enough to make it feel downright frigid if the 20s aren't cold enough. That wind will back off rather quickly later in the day on Saturday into Saturday night, setting us up for that radiational cooling I talked about. But the result of that wind is going to be wind chills down into the teens starting tomorrow morning before they only recover into the 30s here tomorrow afternoon. But because of the wind chills in the teens tomorrow, cold weather advisory for much of Saturday morning for most of central Texas. Don't forget the 4 Ps tonight. From a cloud cover perspective, these clouds are already clearing in parts of the area now. They'll keep clearing through the night. Other than a few high clouds coming in tomorrow morning, we expect a lot of sunshine for your Saturday and a completely clear Sunday. So our forecast tonight down to 29, clearing skies, cold and eventually breezy. And that breeze is with us here on Saturday with a high of just 45, but a big temperature jump Sunday afternoon to 58. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. You can see Monday, sun and clouds 65, Tuesday 70, and then a weak cold front comes in to knock us from 70 to 65, just low 10% rain chances either side of the front. 63 Thursday, and then we're back up to 70 on Friday.